Ain't no 9 to 5, but 65, I'm getting it's 2 p.m., the sun is out, my niggas out, I'm finna pop out. I wear Prada on my feet, cause I ain't proud of how I was brought up. I passed Granny in the kitchen and she tell me take the trash out. Granny don't even worry about it, cause I like you my mother. Let's go. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It ain't me, girl, them you so tired. In the booth, I speak my whole mind. Now I don't really think I need a cosign. I like to get my trophy spit shine. Ring, not that sun, I decline. I'm on topic, but I'm the topic anytime I ain't around.
Ooh, them comments is coming. Picture myself with a whole lot of money. Them paper cuts coming from thumbing through hundreds. I'm learning that I can turn nothing to something. Give me a beat, I'ma start out with humming. Performance on stage, got the audience jumping. I went through a phase where I thought I had nothing. Looked in the mirror, saw the man I was becoming. Born to be a winner, 20/20 vision. I'm seeing the picture. My eyesight be wicked, I be seeing clearer. She told me to feel it, she wet like a river. She licking her lips, probably want me to kiss her, but I ain't that sentimental. I just be playing the cool. Know that pussy rental, got a lot of shit on my middle. Sometimes we blowing the fuse.